Hi everybody, welcome to Forex Raja. We're going to be doing GBPINR analysis for 9th August trade. So as you can see, GBPINR, this is a 1 hour chart. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So it's making a pattern with a clear support base near this level, which is 95.80 is a very important support level from where it is taking a bounce every time it comes here, it is taking a bounce, it comes here, it's taking a bounce. We had clearly recommended yesterday that if GBP INR goes above 96, one should buy for a target of 96.40, and our target was clearly achieved. Our target was clearly achieved today, and what we now see is the level clearly holding the 96.4 levels. So what we have suggested is above 96.4, if GBP INR is able to survive above here, we are able to see targets of 90 97. Our smallest hurdle that we see, या छोटा सा एक hurdle है 96.43 or 96.5. So above 96.5, we can confirm we should hit 97 in GBP INR. So tomorrow, if you see GBP INR above 96.5, then you should be on the buy side. It can hit target of 97 and can test much more higher. Selling of GBP INR is only below this support line, what I said, which is 95.80. Only below 95.80, you should take a sell call on GBP INR. So let's see what will happen tomorrow, and remember these levels which we have suggested to you. Thank you so much and happy trading.